श्री नरेंद्र जाधव जी।
Thank you. Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. Sir, I rise to wholeheartedly support the Taxation Law Amendment Bill 2019. Sir, at the present juncture, policy interventions such as the corporate tax reduction is imperative for India to strengthen its foothold in the global market and to become a favorable destination for manufacturing units. Let me explain why. First, the corporate tax rate cut is a crucial move towards incentivizing domestic investment and to further the objectives of Make in India. It would certainly boost domestic entities to set up new manufacturing units. Second, corporate tax cut would also serve as an important catalyst to attract foreign direct investment in the manufacturing sector and will encourage multinational corporations to shift their units to India. It is expected that several existing industries will benefit from this move, especially the auto industry. Third, with an effective tax rate, corporate tax rate of 25.17%, India would now join the League of Asian Nations, which offer attractive corporate taxes favorable to manufacturing activities, namely China, South Korea, and Bangladesh, where tax rate is 25%. Sir, I am delighted to note that my friend, the Honorable Member Shri Jairam Ramesh, agrees that fundamentals of the Indian economy continue to remain strong. I agree with Shri Jairam Ramesh that the current slowdown, and we must recognize that without giving it any political color, because 6 quarters of decline is unprecedented. So we must recognize, without giving it any political color, the current slowdown is not arising from the 5 Fs, but it is emanating from the deficiency of aggregate demand. Sir, while commending, I'll take only 30 seconds. While commending the Honorable Finance Minister for bringing this bill, I must also point out that the tax cut does not address the critical issue of falling demand. The economic slowdown calls for consumer optimism and a demand boost. This can be done only by putting purchasing power in the hands of people, general public. Given the difficult situation that the Indian economy is in, the fiscal discipline could be relaxed for the time being and personal taxes may be reduced.
Thank you.
In the forthcoming budget, especially for the lower and middle income strata. With these remarks, sir, I commend the bill for passing. Thank you. Thank you.